Okay, bass players. Hi, guys. All right, this is going to be the advanced packet, the second one, lesson 6. Okay, it's the second page of the advanced packet. If you remember, last time I showed you lesson 5 with B flat, and I explained how the flat works, so hopefully you remember that. And you did it on the A string, which was halfway back, right? So here's your B flat, okay? So you have another B that you can make B flat, which is what lesson 6 is. And if you're not a genius, and you need me to tell you, but you probably are, and you figured it out, it is the one on the G string. So here's B, and if you make it a half step lower, you make it back, go back one, it's going to be B flat, second finger. It's one of the ones we skipped back in the beginner book when you didn't know what a flat was. Okay, so now you've got second finger on the G string, B flat. So your second fingers are G, C natural, F natural, and B flat. Okay, so this is the last second finger you didn't know. So B if it doesn't have a flat, and B flat if it does have the flat. Okay, so now you got this B flat and this B flat. Okie dokie. So that's what's new. All right. It works the same way as the other one. Here's the picture. You have the packet. B flat has the flat in front of it, means second finger. Blah, blah, blah. Number 1 is a piece of cake because it's all A's and B flats. They're all marked on number 1. So I'm going to play number 1 for you. You play along. This one's very easy. It gets progressively harder, but here's number 1. I'm actually going to move my bass pretty close to the screen so that you can see my fingers. So first finger for the A on the A tape. Here we go. Hang on. Sorry, I need a minute. Can't see. Getting old, you know how it goes. Well, for me anyway. All right, here we go. So here we go. Number 1 is all A's and B flats. Boop, boop, boop. 1, 2, 3, and go. Rest, okay? Number 2 is A, B flat, and open G, just in 6/8 time, right? So I'm gonna just bang through this one. All right, so here we go. Starts on A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. Number 3 is there's a little note. It says, an easy way to change B to B flat is to put 1 B flat in the key signature. So now you got to check out your key signature for whether there's sharps or no sharps, but also they can put the B flat in there. I always circle it because now you know so many notes and so many things. You've got to write stuff in. It's just too much to remember. And it's okay to write stuff in now. Don't write all your notes in. That was ridiculous from 3rd grade. But this, B flat in the key signature. Okay, so now if you notice, this is all over the place, all right? So I'm going to tell you what I've got here. I wrote it in. So G, 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 F sharp, first finger on the E string on the tape, don't forget. G, 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 open A, then B flat. It's written here because you just did it, but I'm writing them in now at this point. So B flat halfway back for that, B flat, B flat, B flat, open A, G, high G, then this B flat, I marked the flat, G, B flat, B flat, B flat, A, G, 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 whatever, okay? So that's that one, and I'm writing them in at this point, all right? So here we go, I'm gonna play this one for you, all right? So, and it's in 2/4 time, those are triplets, right? So triplet, go. Go back for B flat. Remember, slow. Triplet. Okay, so that's how that one goes, all right? Now you have enough notes to play the F scale, new fingering, new everything. You should memorize it And you should do it this way, okay? So you're gonna do it, and if you can't get this, you're gonna message me so I can help you. But you're gonna do it in half position. You're gonna do the whole thing in half position. You know when you shift it up. But what you're gonna do is instead of having your first finger on the red tape and you're gonna shift back to half position, you're gonna move your hand half step back, which puts your second finger on the red tape. Your first finger is now behind the tape, which is gonna be great because that's where your B flat back here is. And also your F on the E string. So you're gonna use those, so you need them a lot. So just leave your hand back there. And that makes everything that was second finger is now gonna be fourth finger. So G, C, F, and this high B flat. So if you notice, I just moved my hand a half step back to half position. 2's on the red tape. That's the difference, okay? Then, because that's hard to remember, all I did was the whole thing's in half position, reminder, and then all the way up, I wrote the fingering in, okay? And I'm gonna show you. And then when you come back down, you just go backwards. So I only wrote it going up, which makes your F first finger on the E string, the one where you said it was halfway back, look, F, okay? Then G will be fourth finger. So 1, 4, then you keep going up, A, open fifth string, B flat, because it's in the key signature, F scale has B flat, that makes your C fourth finger, it's 1, 4, 1, 4, then open D, no problem, then E, which is not flat, so you need to play your E, it has to be on the red tape, but that's your second finger now. So if you notice, I wrote a 2 above the E, and I put a natural to remind myself. And then your 4 will be your F, natural, okay? So the reason I did it is because the fingering makes it easier this way. So what you've got is, anything that is repetitive, remember, helps you memorize it. So 1, you're halfway back, 1, 4, open, 1, 4, open, 2, 4. And you're going from this F to this F, and that's how you know. And it has B flat in it, that's what makes it sound like the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do that you recognize, which is how it becomes the right scale, okay? So, I'm actually gonna play it, let's see. I'll play it slow. Here we go. I'm gonna not do the word rhythm, watch the rhythm at all. I'm just gonna play one long note, okay? Like a Nisma scale, all right? Here we go. So F, first finger halfway back, half position. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Then you come back down. Okay? And if you want to play them 4 times a piece, you can do that. But you definitely need this fingering. So I'm going to hold this up. If you want to pause the video and write that in above yours, use a pencil. But yeah, okay? So there you go. All right. Yeah, so as you get more notes back here, sometimes you're going to play a whole bunch of stuff back here in half position, and it's easier to just stay back there. Which brings us to America. My country, 'tis of thee, not America Beautiful from last time. Okay. All right. So I wrote stuff in again, okay, to remind myself. This is a tough one, actually. All right. So what you've got is, ready? First of all, I start on F. There's no sharps, right? The B flat in the key. So I'm going to write myself a natural. So that's second finger. F, F, G, E, F, G. If you want to write another natural there, you can, but I remembered it, so I didn't. A, B flat, second finger. A, G, F, and again, write more Fs if you forget, but I remember because there are a lot of 2s. G, F, E, F, rest. Then over to C, not sharp, write it in if you need to. C, 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 then here we go. C, B flat, A, B flat, B flat, B flat, so you're halfway back. B flat, A, G, then On this A, while you're playing no fingers, I'm going to half position for the whole rest of this, and I wrote all the fingerings in. So it's A, B flat, A, G, F natural, A, B flat, C, D, B flat, A, G, F natural. Now, fingering wise, that comes out to be A, first finger B flat, open A 0. This G will be fourth finger in half position. This F will be first finger in half position. Open A again, stay there. B flat is first finger. That means the C is 4, remember half position. D, B flat, first finger, open A. This G will be fourth in half, and this F natural again will be first finger. So this whole part I wrote in half position, and you sort of are just following the numbers, okay? So I'm gonna do it for you. And again, please let me know if you have any questions, but I highly recommend doing it this way. I'm gonna do it so you can really see my hand, and you'll see me move back to half position for the end, okay? And hopefully you can see all the fingerings. All right, here I go. Okay, so first position to start, so no problem, okay? 1, ready, go. B flat. Rest. Up, up. B flat. Down, down. Shift back. So I hope you saw my hand move back and stay back. Okay, so that's the other B flat. You have a lot of facility on your instrument now. You can go all over the place. You have to keep track of whether it's natural, whether it's sharp, or whether it's flat. You have to know where that is. And then if it's a whole bunch of fingering changes, you should definitely write stuff in. That's why in 3rd grade, I said, please don't write in all your notes because you'll be so busy. And now you know so much, you have to write stuff in because you just can't memorize all the different options of fingerings and stuff. So now is the time to start writing all your stuff in your music. All right, let me know if you have any questions. That's 2 B flats, lesson 5 and lesson 6. Good luck. Definitely let me know how it goes, okay? All right, missed you guys. Bye.